Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after 5 hours of hard work, I finally managed to clear my driveway out of the severe snowstorm. This was too difficult and I had to do it no matter what, because the snow accumulation, you can see here, it's accumulated for around a meter. The snow accumulation was so high that it was not possible to take my car out. So if there's an emergency, this could have been worse. You can see the situation around here, it's too bad. Oh my god. But anyway, finally I managed to do. So if you come to Canada and you own a house, make sure you must be ready to do all these tasks. If you have money, you can hire private services. Those who do this task, you can hire contractors. But for someone like me, this needs to be done, and it's not an easy task, guys. It's really very difficult. Thanks for watching, guys.